Hello everyone, welcome to AllSupply. I would like to take you around our factory today.
Let's go. We dedicated in producing food preparation machines, including vegetable cutting machines, meat cutting machines, food mixing machines, juicing machines, and so on, to provide high-quality products with on-time shipment. We have multiple production areas: welding, assembling, sharpening, drilling, and cleaning. Additionally, every machine goes through power test and component test before shipping to obtain customers' confidence worldwide.
Thank you for watching, sir. If you are looking for related machines, contact us now. We will provide the best solution and models you need.